What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. Everything that you need to know about this video will be linked in the description below. So a little down arrow under this video or a little 3 dots, click that. Everything's in the description. If you want to jump around in the video, there's timestamps you can click on, links, information about me, what I'm talking about today, all in the description below. And please hit the little subscribe button with your finger and help my small channel grow. Thank you so much. Let's get right into this. What are we going to talk about today? How can you start an online business without having to spend a bunch of money on website designers and email autoresponders and funnel software and all the little things that nobody tells you that you're going to need when you start an online business? What is the best software in order to get all that stuff in one place? How much does it cost? All those things are going to be answered in this video. Let's get right into it. So I have built a lot of online businesses, and then I've gotten into it and I've figured out that you have to have all these different things. You have to know how to set up funnels, an email autoresponder, sometimes websites, different tracking softwares, all these different things, and I just get overwhelmed and I think, well, there's got to be an easier way, and then I get shiny object syndrome and I go pick some other thing to start, and same thing happens. So I found a funnel software that I think makes all that easier. It encompasses everything into one platform, and it is somehow also the most affordable. So I just had to do a review on this. It's called cloudfunnels. They have had some updating, so it's, as the time of this video, it's called cloudfunnels 2 Elite, but it's all under the same umbrella. Cloudfunnels is what it's called. It's a funnel building software, but it's also a lot more than that. It's really the first funnel building software that I've found where you don't have to pay a monthly fee. You only pay one time and then you own that funnel software. Whereas with all the rest, ClickFunnels, Builderall, GrooveFunnels, all the other ones, you have to pay a monthly fee, and if you stop paying that fee, you lose all your funnels, you lose all the work you've done, which is just sucky to me. And that's happened to me with ClickFunnels before, where I started one thing, I built all these great funnels, and then I needed to take a break. I didn't want to keep paying $100 a month for it, and I lost all that work I did, and it just kind of sucks. So I don't know why this is the first funnel software that has decided that sucked, but it is, and I'm so glad. And also, it's like the easiest out of all the funnel building software to use. It's so click and drop, and everything you need is just right there. You don't even have to think. For example, right here, what kind of website do you want to build or funnel? Corporate, real estate, opt-in, lead grabbing, sales funnel, digital software sales, membership, landing page. It just, what do you want to do? Point and click on it. I just love that. So thankful for that. So who was this created by, and can you trust them? The developer of CloudFunnels is this guy, Cyril Jeet. He works for a software development company called Technic Force. And apart from this product, he's also pretty well known for Webinar Loop. So he knows his software. Been good on Trustpilot since 2013. Done over 3.5 million in sales. He's created over 53 products, had a lot of customers, and he's got a good record of sales and service. Other than that, he's not a super well-known big wig, so, but you gotta start somewhere. So what's different about it from every other cloud funnel building software out there? What's different about it than ClickFunnels, than GrooveFunnels, all the other funnel building software out there? What's the main difference? You only have to pay one time, not monthly. And it's not $1,000 and it's not $500. It's affordable. You pay once. ClickFunnels, Builderall, GrooveFunnels, you all have to pay for those monthly. ClickFunnels is $100 a month for the basic membership. I mean, I just think, and the other main difference, you don't get to keep that stuff. It's not yours after you build it. If you stop paying that monthly fee and you cancel your membership, they delete your stuff. You don't get it back. It's theirs. You pay one time for this and you own it. All the work you do is yours. You pay once. There are upsells. There are more, like, you can buy the main product and then they want you to buy other stuff too. But it's all affordable. It's all still under every other funnel building out there, the price. So main difference, important difference, you pay one time and it's yours. So what's included? You get 6 already made for you funnels. So done for you funnels, you get 6 of them. And with each of these funnels, you get really everything you would need. You get a timer plugin, you get an exit pop-up, you get SEO, you get surveys and quiz plugins, you even get a spinning awards plugin. Stuff like this can really make the difference between your funnel and somebody else's with customer engagement. You get email marketing already integrated in with it. You don't have to buy your own email marketer and then integrate it. They already have it there. It comes in 17 different languages. You get a ton of inbuilt support for your autoresponders if you do have other separate ones. If you need a way to take payments, that's already in there. You don't have to use another payment thing. You get help with product management, and then you also get GDPR compliant software, which means they do all the legal stuff for you, terms and conditions, cookies, consent, things like that you might not think of, and then your business could get shut down because of they do all that for you. They do so much done for you stuff. You get done for you sales page templates, done for you squeeze page templates, done for you thank you page templates. You get free gifts to offer. You get email swipes that you can just copy and paste, Facebook posts and tweets that you can just copy and paste. So much done for you stuff. I mean, I don't know. They just give you so much stuff. I love in this day and age, there's so many people offering done for you stuff. Like if you're not offering that in your software, you're leaving something out. So they really cover that. The creator's basically giving you the 6 funnels that he built himself that made him over $1 million with products. So he's making those into funnels that you can just copy and paste and change a little bit for your own stuff. So they've already been tested. They're proven. You just click and drop. It also includes a training, which is really important. It's giving you all this amazing software and done for you stuff. But if you have all that and you don't really know what to do with it, then you're just going to have to go out and Google and YouTube stuff anyways. They actually give you a training in here too so that you know what to do with all this amazing stuff. So who is this good for? People who want an easy way to start a marketing business without having to be technical. This is a good way. People who already have a business but need to figure out how to get it online and get more sales without having to pay website builders and social media managers and email creators, like all the little details that you don't know how to do to be compliant and legal and to get all the people to your page to get traffic and all that. You don't know how to do that, but you do have a business. This would be for you. This would be how you would get your business online in a really easy and manageable way. Beginner affiliate marketers who need all the pieces to build their business in one place without having to be super technical, this would be for you. Beginner lead generation or local marketers that need all the pieces to build their business in one place, this would be for you. And if you're already an online marketer, affiliate marketer, local marketer, and you've been trying to build your business and it's not really working because you just keep having to do more and more and spending more and more money every month on different softwares and different things, and it's just overwhelming and you're like, how do I make this happen? This would be for you. Who's this not good for? If you're very technical and you like to create everything yourself, this might not be for you. If you're the kind of person who just wants to make a ton of money without doing any work at all, this isn't for you. And I'll tell you a secret. That doesn't exist. It's not real. And then if you already have a successful marketing business with a funnel software that you already like, this probably isn't for you. So what are the pros of this software? To me, the main number one pro is that you pay for it one time, you don't pay monthly, and then you own all the work that you do. Whereas with every other funnel software I've seen, you have to pay every single month, and if you stop paying, you lose all your work, which sucks. So that is number one, huge pro. The other one for me, the big pro that's obvious, there's a lot of pros, but the obvious one is that it is very easy. Like when I'm looking at someone else's website and I'm like, how did they get that timer on there? That's cool. Or how do they have this little thing that where people can leave reviews? That's cool. I don't know how to do that. Like, how did somebody get a little quiz on their funnel or their website? That's neat. There's this little spinny thing over here that you can click. How the heck did someone create that? All that stuff that you always look at and you think is really cool, but you have no idea how to do it. They already have it here. All you have to do is click a little button and it's on your funnel, ready to go. I just think that's really cool because I'm not technical. I've never known how to do that. I've always had to Google, like, how does this person get this thing on their website? And then you go through all the stuff and you just give up because it's hard. It's all right here. So it's super newbie user friendly. I love that. And also just everything's already included. All the plugins that you need, SEO, timers, exit pop-ups, email marketing, it's already in there. Autoresponder, it's already in there. A place for people to pay you, it's already in there. You don't have to go cherry pick 10 different softwares and end up paying $1,000 a month. It's all right here. And somehow you pay for it one time. Still blows my mind. And cons. There are a few cons for CloudFunnels. They do have training, but there could be more. You know, they train you pretty well with this, but I feel like there could be more. You always can use more training. And then there aren't a ton of reviews on it from people yet because it's still pretty new. So every review that you mostly find online are from affiliates who are making money from it if you buy it through their link. So it's hard to know if they're non-biased. So there's not a ton of non-biased reviews on it yet. So that's kind of a con. So how much does this cost? Big question. You only have to pay for it once. And really to get everything you need, you pay $97, which is literally how much you pay every single month for ClickFunnels. And then they, of course, have a bunch of different things that they can upsell you with or that can add to your company. So, you know, they've got all these different things. If you want to build an agency, if you want to build some templates, things like that. If you buy all of these, every single thing, it's $412, which is what you're going to pay after only 4 months of using ClickFunnels. So the cost is super reasonable. You only have to pay for it once and you get everything. The nice thing about these upsells is that if you are an affiliate marketer and you end up using this product as a product to sell to your customers, which is a great idea, you can end up upselling them quite a bit, and all you still really need is the CloudFunnels Pro. So I really like that. Guarantees and refunds. Technoforce's refund policy is that you get 100% of your money back after 30 days. So if you want to buy this, try it out for 30 days and you don't like it, you can get your money back. So my final thoughts, this is more than just funnel software. It's basically a business in a box. It's all in one place, everything you need, point and click, drag and drop. It's all right there. There's not several places that you have to go to get different softwares and set up this and that, and designers that you have to find to help you with that, and website builders. It's all right here. There's no monthly membership. You pay for it one time. You own it. It's the only funnel software like that. It's super easy to use for beginners. You don't have to be tech savvy at all. And there's a great affiliate program if you want to end up selling this software too. So my final verdict is that I do recommend this funnel building software. It is my number one pick for funnel software, everything you need as an affiliate marketer or local marketer to build your business online in one place is right here. And as an online marketer myself, it's been a long and frustrating road to get to a point where I have all the pieces in place. I had to do a lot of research and spend a lot of time. If I had this software 2 years ago, it would have saved me so much time and money. I didn't even want to think about it. So that's my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in, and go out and get free.